Hey guys, welcome to Madihaz Cooking. Today we're going to be making a chipotle bowl. So let's get started. Here I have brown rice with a little bit of cilantro. You can also use white rice as well. So here I have red kidney beans. And I'm just going to plate that to the side. Okay, so I'm going to add black olives. Here I have chicken. I have the recipe for this on my channel, so go check it out. And we're just gonna add the chicken. And here I have tomato where I just add minced garlic and Italian seasoning and garlic powder. And I'm just going to add that. Okay, so here I have guacamole, and I also made this. You can find this recipe on my YouTube channel as well. Here I have corn. Okay, so here I'm just going to add some sour cream. And there you have it. Your chipotle bowl is ready. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.